I bring in a man here. I had to read it because they give me some new fellas here and so help me bless. Oh, come. Oh, come. A man better put a hem on this show, but it's a long show. Anyway, the man named Blackbird, he's singing 4 years now. He's singing Culture House in Trinidad. I remember hearing him, you know, but with the color, I thought it was Redbird, he didn't name Blackbird. He ain't named Cobomel, he just named Blackbird. Give me a chance now, boy. Yes, and he sing with Blue Boy and them in Culture House. I remember that, the Lama and them fellas. Doing a thing, sing for love. Put your hands together and welcome the first man doing the thing tonight, the Blackbird. Right. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. Ba, 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 da, da. Ba, da, ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, da, da, ba, ba, ba. Oh, when I look around, tell me what's going on. It's a sad situation. When will our problems cease? Well, this is my belief. We heading for self-destruction. All in a serious situation. Oh yeah. AIDS is now secondary to drugs. Our youth have no moral values at all. I'm begging, please, please answer my call. I want you to sing, oh sing, sing for love. Love will bring us together. Let me hear you sing, oh sing, sing the song. Love is the only answer. When we sing for love, to love will come from above. When we pray for love, to love will come from above. Ba da da da, ba da da da, ba da 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 da, ba 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 da da, ba da da da. Nations still having wars for no apparent cause, while some people starve to death. Can't find no food to eat, don't have no bed to sleep. Only love could conquer all. South Africa still in a complex stage. Oh yes, back in the Middle East. Communism crumbling in the East. Would this world ever be at peace? I want you to sing, oh sing, sing for love. Love will bring us together. Let me hear you sing, oh sing, sing the song. Love is the only answer. When we sing for love, to love will come from above. When we pray for love, to love will come from above. Ba da da, ba da da da, ba da da ba da, ba ba da 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 da, ba 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 da, ba da da da, ba ba da da da, ba da 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 da, ba da. Now things are looking bleak, for when modern nature speaks, is nothing that we can do. Not a superior race, there is no real escape to control the master's fate.
go almost destroy the Caribbean. Oh yeah, typhoon cripple Guam and the Philippines. Earthquake in the west, earthquake in the east. Is this the answer to our quest for peace? I want you to sing, oh sing, sing for love. Love will bring us together. Let me hear you sing, oh sing, sing the song. Love is the only answer. When we sing for love, love will come from above. When we pray for love, love will come from above. Ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da. Look at my Trinidad, things really, really bad, but the struggle still goes on. Things will improve one day, it must get better someday. And when all is said and done, there won't be no more devaluation. Oh no, there won't be no more oil price competition. No more fighting amongst the politicians. This is Trinidad, we all know and love. I want you to sing, oh sing, sing for love. Love will bring us together. Let me hear you sing, oh sing, sing this song. Love is the only answer. When we sing for love, love will come from above. When we pray love, love will come from above. Thank you. Peace. Oh, yeah, yeah. Sing, sing, sing for love. Oh, yeah. Put your hands together for the blackbird. Song it nice when you do it twice. Like, nice man. You see, sometimes you just have a little, come back, he house only a 60-watt bulb. This bag of light in the eye, panic and so on. But I know I say encourage them, let them come and do it, man. Think nice. Put your hands together for blackbird again, man. Real courage. I tell you, Calypso is one of the hardest work it have, you know. My son, every year you had to find 6 new things to sing about. And the boldface, you know, that ain't good. They're writing nothing, you know. Calypso hard. The next thing that hard is dub. You might write a dub tune and the next year you get sense. That means you can't write a next dub tune. You're in trouble. You have to say stupid to write. Anyway, let me talk that talk before we get in trouble.